Hello guys and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to record voiceover using ChatGPT. It is completely free and there's no limitation to doing this. So I'm going to explain to you how to do this step by step. Then for those that will be asking can you record your own script without using the ChatGPT script, I'm also going to demonstrate how you can record your own script that you wrote yourself using this method. Okay, now let's move on. So on my screen here I'm on the ChatGPT website. When you come over to ChatGPT website, it's just going to open up like this. So let's say this is a script that I want to talk about. So this script is talking about the origins of the beta generation. So now after writing your script, or let's say your narration like this using ChatGPT, if you come down here you are going to see this particular button here. This is the voice text to speech available here. So this particular button, so if I play this button, you are going to see how it's going to read aloud.
The beta generation is often described as the bridge between worlds, born in the era of analog dreams, but raised in the age of digital transformation. Their story begins at a crossroads of history, a time when landline.
So you can hear how authentic and how human that voiceover is. So let me show you how to change the voice to any voice that you want to use. If you want to change this voice, simply go over here, tap on this icon, and when you do that, at this bottom side you are going to see your image right here. So where you see your image here, just tap on that image. When you tap on that image, from this option you are going to see settings. So you are going to tap on settings, and when you tap on settings, there are other settings that are here. So what we want to use is the speech here. So you are going to tap on speech, and when you tap on speech you'll be able to change the voice here. So when you tap on this place, you can change the voice here. So if I tap on this place, I can select any voice I would like. So let's say I want to select this particular voice, and if you want to listen to how the voice that you have selected sounds like, simply tap on this play button to listen to how it sounds like.
Hi, glad to meet you. I think we're going to do great work together.
So that is one of the voice. If I want to change it again, I'll tap on the voice to select one.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking forward to working on some cool stuff together.
That is another voice.
It's great to meet you. How's your day?
If I want to check another voice again, I can simply tap here.
Hey, what's up? Feel free to ask me about anything that's on your mind.
That is another voice. So I'm just going to select one of the voice, then tap on play.
Hey there, I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up.
After picking your voice, then you simply come here and tap on this cancel button. And that I've selected my voice. Now let me show you how to record this voiceover using another app. So if you want to record this voiceover, simply what you will do is to go to this particular app. So you can just get any screen recorder. You can use your normal phone screen recorder. So to record this voiceover, I'll be using this particular app called S Recorder. You can use your phone screen recorder to do this. When you come to this S Recorder, what you are going to do, you need to enable this particular option. When you download this app from your Play Store, you need to enable this option. For those using laptop, you can use any screen recorder available on your laptop. So you just come here, make sure this option is being enabled. So when that is being enabled, you'll be able to see this option on your screen. Okay, by the side of your screen you will see this option. So now it's time for us to record our screen. So for you to record your screen, you will come over here, just tap on this button showing on your screen here. When you tap on it, you will see a record button. Right now I'm recording my screen. So for those, when you want to start recording your voiceover, you just tap on this particular option and you will see record here. So when you tap on that record, it's going to start recording, and immediately it starts recording, you wait for at least 5 seconds. Then you will come here and tap on this play button.
The beta generation is often described as the bridge between worlds, born in the era of analog dreams, but raised in the age of digital transformation. Their story begins at a crossroads of history, a time when landlines still buzzed in homes, yet smartphones started appearing in pockets. It's a story of resilience, adaptability, and navigating a world in constant flux.
Alright, after that has been recorded, then I'll show you how to extract the audio from the video using CapCut. But before we go on to do that, let me show you how to record your own script that you wrote yourself, because so many of you might be having these challenges. So now I'm just going to copy this. So let's just copy only from here to here. So let's assume this is my script, and now I want to record my own script. So if you send a text on this website, you won't have the option of that record button. Okay, so how do you do that? This is how you do it. You copy your entire script, then come over here, send this. So what I'm going to do, I'll ask ChatGPT, please repeat this to me. So I'll open a quote, then I'll paste my script inside, close the quote, and I will send it. So what ChatGPT is going to do is going to repeat that script. It's going to repeat the text that you just sent to you. So this is the text that ChatGPT has just repeated to me. So I'll tap on this recorder to record my voiceover. Then I'll record my screen and get the voiceover that I can use. Now let me show you how you can extract this audio on CapCut. So now we are on CapCut. First, when you open up CapCut, you tap on New Project. When you tap on New Project, you are going to select the screen recorder video that you just did. So this is it. So I'll add it to my CapCut project. So this is the video that I just did. So please bear in mind, when you are recording your voiceover, you stay in a noisy free environment where there's no noise. So now let me play this audio so that you listen to it.
The beta generation is often described as the bridge between worlds.
Alright, so that's the voice. Now we are going to edit this voice now. So tap on it. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, at this down side, you scroll to your right hand side, and from here you will see extract audio. So this is it. So we have extract audio here. Extract audio. So tap on extract audio, and it's going to extract the audio from the video. Now that the audio has been extracted from the video, this is the audio and this is the video. If you want to start editing your work, this is what you are going to do. If you don't want to use this process, you can use any MP4 to MP3 converter website online. But if you want to do this, then this is how you are going to do. Say you want to edit a landscape video. First, you need to change the aspect ratio of this video, and to do that, come down here and click on aspect ratio. So select any aspect ratio you want to use from here. Now that the aspect ratio has been selected, we are having one problem, and this is the problem that we are having. We don't want this to appear on the screen. Okay, so what we are going to do is to select it. Just tap on this. When you tap on this, you can now use your finger on the screen from here. Use your finger on the screen and drag this out of the screen. So I can drag it out of the screen. So now we have a blank area. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select an image and add it so that I can start editing my video. So let me just select one of this image. So let's just say this image. So I'm going to add it, then I'll start editing my video. So now I can delete this other part that is not necessary. So from here I can start editing my video according to how the voiceovers according to what the voiceover is saying at that particular point in time. So let's play this video.
The beta generation.
Okay, so before that, the audio is not that good, so we want to do some little effect to the audio. Now select the audio layer and come down here. So when you come down here, we are going to look for reduce noise. So we want to reduce background noise from
The beta generation is often described as the bridge between worlds.
So you can select that. So we have reduced the background of that audio. You can reduce the volume of the audio if you like. And this is how you get your unlimited voiceover using ChatGPT. If this video was helpful to you, do not hesitate to like this video and drop a comment under this video. I will see you in my next video.